Welcome to the complete process of knit fabric manufacturing. In this video, we will explore how yarn is transformed into finished fabric inside a modern textile factory. Yarn preparation. The process begins with yarn preparation. Fibers such as cotton or polyester are spun into yarn and wound onto cones. These cones are placed on creels, ready to feed the knitting machine. Yarn feeding. From the creel, yarn passes through tensioners and guide elements. These components maintain uniform tension and ensure smooth feeding. Any break in the yarn is detected instantly by stop-motion devices. Knitting process. Now, the yarn enters the circular knitting machine. Here, hundreds of needles move up and down in a synchronized motion. Yarn is continuously fed, and loops are formed to create fabric. This loop formation is the key principle of knitting. Loop formation close-up. In this close-up view, you can see how each needle forms a loop. The latch opens, catches the yarn, and pulls it through the previous loop. This continuous action builds the knit structure row by row. Fabric takedown. As the fabric is formed, it is pulled downward by takedown rollers. This controls stitch length and fabric density. The fabric is produced in a continuous tubular form. Fabric rolling. The fabric is then rolled into batches. Proper rolling ensures smooth handling and prevents wrinkles or distortion. Fabric inspection. Next, the gray fabric is inspected under bright lighting. Operators check for defects such as holes, needle lines, or uneven loops. Any faults are marked for correction. Dyeing process. The fabric then moves to the dyeing section. It is processed in dyeing machines where color is evenly absorbed. Temperature, time, and chemical control are critical in this stage. Drying and finishing. After dyeing, the fabric is dried and finished. Machines like stentors help control width and reduce shrinkage. This step improves dimensional stability and fabric appearance. Finished fabric. Finally, the finished fabric is inspected, rolled, and prepared for delivery. It is now ready for use in garment production. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.